Hey loves, it's because of DIY here, so my voice is gonna be a bit down. Please do forgive the background noise. I'm actually at the school library, but I just wanted to make an intro or give a little explanation because today I'm gonna be reviewing a little DIY design I did in the past. So the reason, like I said before, I do there's a mosquito here. Okay, the reason why I do make these DIY videos is to make you guys understand how DIY works, like if they do last or not. If they do last or not. So that's why I'm making this video. So I just want to give a little intro, and I'm going to be showing you guys and doing further explanation later. But I just want to give a little intro. Yeah, I've said that a lot. So yeah, let's just get to it. Alright guys, so this is the DIY I was talking about. I made this a long time ago, like when I first started experimenting with DIYs. I don't know if you guys remember the clip of the video where I was making this, but I made it way long before I posted it. Alright, so I'm gonna try it on anyway, so that, and I'm gonna insert the earlier video of when I actually made the DIY itself, so people can compare it from then and now. So I'm gonna try it on anyway. Alright, so guys, I almost did forget. I forgot to mention that some are actually beginning to open a little bit. Alright, some are actually beginning to open a little bit, just a little bit, and it's something I can always fix with glue. So yeah,